All right, welcome back. West Bengal is now gearing up for the second phase of the elections on the 29th of April. This phase will see several key constituencies go to the polls, with high stakes for the ruling All India Trinamool Congress led by Mamata Banerjee. And the opposition, of course, Bharatiya Janata Party, looking to make significant inroads. In all of this, Kejriwal is campaigning in Bengal and has made the deployment of forces in the state a key issue. Amit Shah, on the other hand, emphasized their policy on infiltrators. Prime Minister Modi continues to be in the state, holding public rallies and addressing the people. His point continues to be the rule of goons in TMC. Rainik Datta, my colleague, is joining us at this point in time. He is in Bidhanagar in Kolkata. The Prime Minister also, we saw visuals of that, was at a road show right before the phase 2 of the Bengal elections. Rainik, अगर आप मेरी आवाज़ सुन पा रहे हैं?
हाँ।
रैनिक, ये बताइए, चरण 2 जो है वो 29 अप्रैल को बंगाल वोट करेगा। अभी तक ऑन ग्राउंड क्या लग रहा है आपको? जितने भी राजनीतिक विशेषज्ञ हैं वो यही मानते हैं कि ममता बनर्जी को कोई नहीं हिला सकता। हालांकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को 77 से इजाफा मिलेगा इस चुनाव में, पर सरकार तृणमूल कांग्रेस की ही बनेगी। ऐसा क्यों है और क्या इस बात की पुष्टि हो सकती है, जानकारी मिल सकती है आपके द्वारा, जिस तरीके से आप ऑन ग्राउंड अभी तक इस पूरे चरण को कवर करते आए हैं?
देखिए, अभी तक अगर बात किया जाए तो पहला चरण हो चुका है। पहला चरण में 152 सीटों में मतदान हो चुका है। अभी दूसरा चरण का मतदान बाकी है। ये दूसरा चरण का जो मतदान होने जा रहा है, पश्चिम बंगाल का 142 सीटों में मतदान होने जा रहा है। पहला चरण में जो मतदान हुआ था 152 सीटों में, उस सीटों में अगर देखा जाए तो 2021 साल का अगर बात किया जाए तो उसमें से 70 सीट था बीजेपी का। उस 152 सीटों के अंदर में 70 सीट बीजेपी को मिला था 2021 साल में। और इस बार बीजेपी की तरफ से दावा किया जा रहा है कि वो 70 सीटें और भी इंक्रीज होगा, 110 तक जाएगा, ऐसा गृह मंत्री अमित शाह की तरफ से दावा किया जा रहा है। मगर दूसरी तरफ तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से दावा किया जा रहा है कि पहला चरण में जो चुनाव हुआ है उस जगह पर 152 सीटों के अंदर में 120 के ऊपर सीट तृणमूल कांग्रेस को मिलने वाला है। और उसके साथ साथ ही 2000 बाकी जो 249 सीटों के अंदर में जो बाकी जो सीट है, यानी पश्चिम बंगाल में अभी भी जो 142 सीट बाकी है, उस सीट का अगर बात किया जाए तो इस जगह पर तृणमूल कांग्रेस का पकड़ मजबूत है। और इसी वजह से तृणमूल कांग्रेस का कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल और कुछ अलग ही देखने को मिल रहा है। जो एक्सपर्ट्स है उनके तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस का तृणमूल कांग्रेस जीत इस बार निश्चित है। मगर दूसरी तरफ ओपिनियन पोल का अगर बात किया जाए तो ओपिनियन पोल में भी तृणमूल कांग्रेस को आगे रखा जा रहा है। मगर आज पश्चिम बंगाल में जब और 2 दिन बाकी है, आज और कल 2 दिन प्रचार का बाकी है, उस प्रचार में किसी भी तरीके से दो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को देखते हुए ये आपको समझ नहीं आएगा कि कौन आगे जा रहा है कौन पीछे जा रहा है। क्योंकि एक तरफ जब रास्ते में मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी है, ममता बनर्जी की तरफ से भवानीपुर में लगातार रैली किया जा रहा है, पब्लिक मीटिंग किया जा रहा है, लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी। दूसरी तरफ अगर देखा जाए तो आज राज्य में प्रधानमंत्री का प्रोग्राम भी है। कोलकाता में भी प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से अभी रोड शो किया जा रहा है। कोलकाता में, नॉर्थ कोलकाता में प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से रोड शो किया जा रहा है, जिसमें मानिकतला विधानसभा क्षेत्र का जो कैंडिडेट उनको लेकर रोड शो कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री। और उसके पहले कोलकाता में जो ठंडनिया कालीबाड़ी है उस जगह पर सिद्धेश्वरी काली माता को पूजा भी दिए है प्रधानमंत्री। और उसके पहले आज सुबह भी देखा गया था कि पश्चिम बंगाल के जो मतुआ संप्रदाय का घर कहा जाता है बोनगा, उस जगह पर भी पहुंचे थे ठाकुर नगर में जाकर। मतुआ संप्रदाय का जो ठाकुरबाड़ी, उस जगह पर जाकर भी प्रधानमंत्री ने पूजा दिया था। यानी जो प्रचार का सिलसिला वो भारी जोर मात्रा में चल रहा है। एक तरफ तृणमूल कांग्रेस, दूसरी तरफ बीजेपी, दोनों मिलकर प्रचार का जो जोर वो इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं। और जितना टाइम जा रहा है उतना ही प्रचार जो है वो बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। एक तरफ बीजेपी कॉन्फिडेंट है कि इस बार बीजेपी का सरकार बनने वाला है पश्चिम बंगाल में। दूसरी तरफ तृणमूल कांग्रेस भी कॉन्फिडेंट है कि जो भी हो जाए तृणमूल कांग्रेस का ही सरकार बनेगा और ममता बनर्जी 4 नंबर बार के लिए पश्चिम बंगाल का मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे।
रैनिक, इस जानकारी के लिए हमारे से जुड़ने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ऑल्सो लेट मी ब्रिंग इन Rajalakshmi Joshi, political analyst, into this conversation. Nikhil Jain, political analyst, also joins us on the program. Nikhil, your assessment of phase one. Amit Shah spoke to us. He said he's pretty confident that the Bharatiya Janata is winning 100 plus seats. But let's not forget about some of the sensitive seats in West Bengal as well, especially the ones in the border areas. And as per our analysis, Nikhil, there are about 71 seats for the TMC where the margin of victory was less than 5,000. Do you think that some of these volatile areas, these fragile areas, will continue to support Mamata Banerjee?
Vineet, when you talk about statements of the Home Minister given during an election campaign, I'm reminded of what Lalu Prasad Yadav said many, many years ago when he was asked that you were saying that you're going to win, and he just says, "Ki aur kya election ke dauran ye bolte ki haar rahe the." I think you should never trust the statements of politicians in terms of the numbers that they give while a campaign is on. Home Minister himself, Home Minister Amit Shah himself in 2021 said that the BJP would be winning more than 200 out of the 294 seats. We all know this got stuck at 77. He's following the exact same parity, 100 seats for half, 100, winning 100 in half the seats that have been polled. So I don't really take those numbers seriously. So far as the point that you raise about the 71 seats where the margin of victory for the TMC was less than 5,000, I think that's a very crucial and important point. We've all seen the impact of SIR and the allegations and the proof presented by TMC and other parties in terms of how the voters were sort of deleted strategically so as to benefit the BJP, how a majority of the votes or a large, disproportionately large number of votes that were struck off were of Muslims, and we all know that Muslims in the state of West Bengal vote for the TMC primarily. So if the SIR is going to have the kind of impact that a lot of opposition players are alleging, that the SIR deletions were very strategic just to help the BJP cover that thin margins in seats where they were really close, then I really don't know what the outcome would be. But so far as a contest is concerned where the SIR will not have any partisan impact, assuming that the SIR does not have any partisan impact, I don't think the BJP is still in any position to form the government in West Bengal. They may get a number higher than what they did the previous time around. Again, I don't expect a considerable increase, but given the fact that Mamata Banerjee is a really tall leader and there is nobody in the BJP that can match up to her level of popularity. And let's not forget that just like Prime Minister Modi has his photo and has his association with every social welfare benefit that is given by the central government, the same applies to TMC in West Bengal. I'm told that many people actually have photographs and portraits of Mamata Banerjee in their shops and houses. She is a demigod-like figure there. To defeat a figure like that, when you don't even have a strong leader, I don't think that's really something that's very possible for the BJP. But again, I will not stick my neck out this time, like I said yesterday. I'm not going to put any numbers because we really don't know what the impact of the SIR would.
Okay, let's get a response from Rajalakshmi Joshi, political analyst, on what you have said. Rajalakshmi, Home Minister Amit Shah extremely confident that the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to be forming the new government in West Bengal. But isn't that extremely aspirational considering the fact that the incremental surge for the Bharatiya Janata Party in 2021 was 77 and they would need approximately double of that to form the government in West Bengal as well?
Hello Vineet, yes, it does sound a bit too aspirational, the kind of figures that are...
But not impossible.
But not impossible, yes, absolutely not impossible. For a party that rose from 0 seats to 3 seats to 77 seats, in consecutive elections, I don't think that that is impossible. So you have seen how they have grown in West Bengal. So nothing is impossible. So also there is a little arithmetic here as well. You were right in saying that in the past what used to happen is that the Mamata Banerjee and her party, they used to have a kind of a given that they will start with some 75-80 seats were kind of almost taken for granted that they will be going to the TMC. So there was no question asked about it because very frankly there was a lot of infiltration there and people were not even allowed, any other people were not even allowed to go and vote, and people used to be locked up in their houses. They were not allowed to go. This is a fact, Vinny. As much as TMC and some other parties may contest this, but this is a fact. And so now, if you remember, I had given my prediction for this. Now, at that time, I had told you that I see a number of 130 to 140 for the BJP, and if people are allowed to go and vote with the confidence that there will not be any violence and that they will be safe and secure even after the election results are out, then maybe the scenario could be much different, much in favor of the BJP. So now going back to the arithmetic, like I was talking about how in the past there was this the figure was 77 seats. Now during the Lok Sabha elections, the same number actually, if you look at the assembly-wise split, then that rose to 90. Now after that, after the SIR, there were a lot of names deleted, and of course you cannot discount the fact that there definitely were a lot of infiltration and a lot of people whose names were duplicate, people who had died. So all of those deletions, after all of that, it is definitely impacting at least 30 seats. And after that, beyond that, now with a kind of a wave in favor of the BJP, considering the RG case, and there were a lot of other issues as well. So after all of that, I see another impact in at least another 20 seats.
Okay,
So if you
all right.
count all of that,
All right.
count all of that, it comes.
All right.